Alright, greetings from Strasburg, Colorado, about an hour out from home. If I can find it, it should be just on the left. Extreme Car Wash is what it's called. Yep, there it is. Back in Colorado again. Time for another Karcher, which means episode 6 of having to deal with the worst floor treadle ever. And nobody in line, but these other cars are going further up. Oh, we can't go in from that way. I thought there was a way to go in here. Bear with me 1 second while I find a spot to turn around. So you have to go in here and then go in. One manual, one automatic. Oh, I'm gonna go crazy if it's $20 or more for the top wash. Yeah, it looks like another newer one. And these floor treadles are an absolute pain in the butt. Yeah, it's $18. That's about what I predicted. Yeah, with all the normal Comtech based stuff, we'll get a look at that in a second. There are your options. Switch back to autofocus. Why is it not working? There we go. Clean for 11, extra clean for 12, extreme clean for 14, extreme clean plus for 18. Yeah, these things still don't advance or apply tri-foam, which is annoying. Let me get the exposure up a bit. And plus, with these things always being so expensive as they are, there's usually a hard pass, and then there's all the Comtech signage. Doesn't have a goofy pay station this time. $18 is still a lot. And hopefully I don't have to do any more washes until I go back to Texas at this point. And I should get my next YouTube payment in like a day or two, I think. Alright, here we go. Both of my camera equipment is working great this time, so I'm hopefully don't have to worry about it crapping out on me, but I'm also gonna dip my head out the window so I can line myself with this gigantic pain in the butt floor treadle. Okay, I think I'm looking pretty good. I just gotta go straight. You go up and you don't go in a hole, which makes you think that you're going on the rail, which is very trippy. But we did it. Machine's a little dirty. Yeah, I just realized I forgot to move my phone up to the other mount. You know, every Karcher video, they're always with Karchers. I seem to forget a little something. But okay, phone's back on the mount. Hopefully I get like 4 or 5 coats of soap to make the $18 wash worth it. I mean, 18 is like the cheapest these things get, unfortunately. The most expensive I see them is like 25, which is ridiculous for an in-bay. Not even like in the Northeast or anything either. Get our underchurch. And now we get the blue stuff, it looks like. Yep, there's the blue stuff. Yeah, Comtech has their own chemicals too. Shaking the car! And more blue stuff at the same time. Now we should get our high pressure. Should we get another round of soap? This one's like pink. High pressure starting from the back this time. Interesting. Now we should get our contouring bar. After this. And then it's usually our spot free right after that, yep. I know, it's still a hard pass for the top wash for these things. But they're only found in Colorado, so yeah, Colorado exclusive. I was told that these are also made in Colorado, but I need more information about that, if that's true. Karcher's like a European car wash company, so I wonder if they're just imported here from there or if they actually make them here. Let's see. Yep, I think we're getting our dryer now. Karcher dryer's doing about average. It's not the greatest. That thing is the rocker panel blast right there with a giant beefy motor attached to it. Those things are gnarly. A little dirty, but pretty good. Haven't really come across a bad Karcher. This car should be good for the winter here now. These things are pretty beefy. There you have it, another successful Karcher video this time at least. Well, I just had to adjust the camera, but that wasn't an issue. Well, hope y'all enjoyed this video. Thank y'all for watching. I'll see y'all whenever I see y'all again. Merry Christmas, everybody. Goofy out roads around here too.